Back in the old days, when BlackBerry was the premier smartphone maker, you could count on its devices to feature two things: a physical keyboard and long battery life. Things have changed a lot since then, but part of that legacy lives on in the BlackBerry Motion. It might lack that classic keyboard, but it makes up for that with one of the biggest smartphone batteries I've used all year. That should keep some hardcore devotees happy, right? We're not exactly sure when, or even if, the Motion will land in the US, but that's just as well. It's a fine phone but overpriced for what it is. Unlike the last two all-touch BlackBerries, the Motion is more than just a clone of an existing device. In fact, I'd argue the Motion is the best touchscreen BlackBerry in years. It's conservative in that way BlackBerries always are, but the Motion's body is a handsome blend of glass, aluminum and soft touch plastic that's made to look like carbon fiber. In an effort to give the Motion some extra character, BlackBerry Mobile rounded the phone's top edge while leaving the bottom one flat. It's a neat touch, but it's hard to appreciate unless you look closely. Still, the fact that BlackBerry Mobile is trying to give a glass and metal slab any personality at all is a reassuring change of pace. The phone looks better than it feels, though. It's quite a bit taller than the BlackBerry keyone, so folks with smaller hands will have to do the smartphone shimmy to reach the top of the screen. The Motion's flat sides, meanwhile, make it feel boxy and utilitarian. Then again, if there's any phone that can get away with feeling utilitarian, it's a BlackBerry. More importantly, the Motion is rated IP67 for water and dust protection. Try pulling that off on a phone with a physical keyboard.